Everyone, Phoebe Tonosaki is here. Today I'm very happy to share this special project with you, which is creating a Faux crystal cluster with Lindy skein. It is a very easy but very gorgeous project, which everyone can be easily done. There are many crystal shaped silicone mold in the market right now. I think you can find them very easy. Here in Japan, we are using the UV resin as the medium, but if you cannot find that in the States or other country, you can still use the normal resin to do this project. Main part of this project is to make the resin with Lindy skein spray and squash. Remember to pick some color that looks like real crystal instead of some abnormal combination. Even though the Lindy skein medium do not mix well with resin, but when it dries, the elements will be locked inside the transparent resin, and with the layers of different colors, it will look like real crystal. I have used a wooden chip as the base of this cluster, but you can use anything as you like. Remember to be a shape that is easy control. I simply use some texture paste to fill in the gap and the surface of the wood chip to cover it. Here, Lindy Skin embossing powder is served as a glitter and also some texture. We do not need to use the heat gun to dry it completely, but leave some texture and the shape of the embossing powder itself so that you can see it like the shimmer of a crystal cluster. I hope you like this fun project. It's very easy and very enjoyable. I'm sure you can find some mold in the market and you can make your own crystal. Thank you for supporting Lindy's. Bye bye.